Emily.
I'm Tori.
That's Finnegan, and this is Annabelle.
Hi.
Oh, he's a lot nicer.
And we are making a YouTube channel.
For what reason does anyone make a YouTube channel?
I don't know.
So, it's gonna be good. So everything's gonna be filmed in this apartment.
So I hope you like it.
We don't have that many resources, so your imagination is gonna be just as good as ours if you get it.
So we're probably gonna get no views.
Today I got lost in a forest.
Watch our channel.
Don't do it for us, just do it for the children. Can I tell a joke? Can I read from Twilight? That's funny.
Whee!
He's gonna be in every video except for
Titanic.
the Titanic one, because why would you have a cat on the ship? He'd die.
You wouldn't have a cat on a ship.
I mean, this kid has no chance of survival on a ship, so
We don't have a chance to survive on a ship.
you don't.
I have a kitten in my lap.
Cutest thing. I still like, if you're bored out of your mind watching this video, I still watch it for that. Regina. He's got a farting problem. Yeah, that was him.
Oh god.
He has a problem.
Oh god. I'm so bad.
I'm gonna go away in a few seconds.
You won't even imagine. It's like a sewer system. You stink. You stink. No one's trying to get away. I need you in our video. You're the cute bastard.
That's our token.
You're a token. You're the only reason people are watching this. Like, did you just accuse our viewers of being people who defend ugly people singing?
And also when he's always like, oh my god, you guys, you're not up there singing, she's up there singing, so you're up there and then there's those people who are like, this sucks, get a life, or wait, this is your life and it sucks.
Maybe you're the people that like search cats on YouTube and find this.
He is named after Seamus Finnegan. He loves watching Harry Potter. The fourth one's his favorite.
Oh no! Say 4.
No, I like the fifth one. There's that part where Devin Murray goes all
I don't
fast,
like any of the movies.
goes all fast and Irish on us. Don't you dare talk about my blah, blah, blah.
I think that this is done. Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Bye. Finnegan? Finnegan! Speak to me. He was so young.